Hello students, today we are continuing our chapter narration part 2. Okay, so let's start. Okay, how the changes take place to form indirect speech from direct speech. Okay, so how the changes takes place in the tenses, let us see. If the reported speech will be in present simple, it will get changes into past simple, as I told. Okay, if the reported speech will be in present continuous, it will be changes into past continuous respectively. If the reported speech will be in present perfect, it will be changing into past perfect. Same like it, if it will be in present perfect continuous, it will be changing into past perfect continuous. Okay, so this was of the present tenses changing into past tenses. Okay, but if the reported speech will be in past tense, then how the changes would be taking place, let us see. If the reported speech will be in simple past, it will be changing into past perfect. Okay, alternately means how the changes take place. The changes will be taking place alternately, means reported speech will be in past simple, it will get converted into past perfect tense. Okay, after leaving past continuous, means alternately it will take, the changes will take place. Okay, if the reported speech will be in past continuous, it will get change into past perfect continuous. Okay, after skipping past perfect tense. Okay, now future, if the reported speech will be in future tense, means will or shall will be there as a helping verb, it will get changed into would. Will or shall will get changed into would. Okay, can will get changed into could, may will get changed into might. Okay, in this way the changes takes place. Okay, now here are few points that should be taken care of, that when the reported speech, if the reported speech consisting universal fact or habitual fact, then no changes takes place in the reported speech. That must be kept in the mind. Okay, how? Like example is given. Okay, so like our teacher said the Mars is round. Okay, this is a universal fact. Mars is a planet which is round in shape. Okay, so this is the universal fact, है so it will not be changing. Okay, so like our teacher said that, then how this direct speech will be changing. Okay, let us see. Our teacher said that the Mars is round. No change is there in the sentence, right? है Okay, चलिए let's see the second rule. When the reported speech has past historical fact, then there is no change. Okay, past historical fact is there, and no changes take place. Third, when the reported speech has two actions to be happening at the same time, and there is no change in the tense, means my sister was making lunch, I was studying. When I was studying, this is the direct speech. So this will be converted. How? Let's see. He said that his sister was making lunch when she was studying. Okay, he said that his sister, here the changes are taking place in the person, means my is the possessive pronoun. Okay, here my will get changed into his. Okay, means my is the first person, possessive pronoun, and it is changing according to the subject. It is changing according to the subject of the reporting verb, means first person gets changes according to the subject of the reporting verb. Okay, while the second person changes according to the object of the reporting verb, and third person remain unchanged. Okay, like he said that his sister his sister. In place of my, here it is written his. Why? Because my is the first person and it will get changed into subject of the reporting verb, means he. He means male person. So he said that his sister was making lunch when, again I is there, means first person. Again I is there when means first person. Okay, when she was studying. Okay, he said that his sister was making lunch when she was studying. Okay, okay, when here there's a mistake actually. He will not be used here. Mistakenly it is written she, but he is the correct answer. He, it will be used he. In place of she, what will be used? He. Okay, there's a mistake. He said that his sister was making lunch when he was studying. Here in place of she, he will be there. Okay, because this is the first person, it will be changing into subject of the reporting verb. Means he said that his sister was making lunch when he was studying. Okay, there's a mistake over here. Now this is the fourth case. When reported speech has more imagined condition, then there is no change in the tense. Okay, if I were rich, I would help him. So there's a imagination. Okay, there's an imagination. He said that if I were rich, means presently he is not rich now. He is imagining that if he was rich, if I were rich, I would help him. He said that if he were rich. Okay, again the first person has occurred here. I will get changed into subject. Okay, he said that if he were rich, he would, again he, same like condition, he would help him. Okay, okay, here him is the third person, third person singular number. So in this way the changes take place. How the changes take place in the words, let's see. Here gets changed into there, here gets changed into there, now gets changed into then, this changes into that, these changes into those, today changes into that day, tonight changes into that night, yesterday changes into the previous day, that night, tonight changes into that night, yesterday changes into the previous day, and last night changes into the previous night. Last week changes into the previous week, tomorrow changes into the next day or the following day, next week changes into the following week, ago changes into before, thus changes to so, hence changes to thence, hither changes to thither, and come changes into go. Okay, so this was all in our class. Thank you very much.